Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to classify wine dataset using linear models. So this is the code snippet over here. I have copied this code and I have pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So let's get started. Now we all are familiar with the simplest type of model that we can use, that is a linear model. So the a proper extension of linear model for classification is logistic regression. But the over here we are not going to use logistic regression, but here we are going to use SGD classifier and ridge classifier. So what is the difference? Let's first try to understand it with the help of regression problem, because these all classifier are just the extension of regression using some function to convert it into a classification model. Now as we know, linear models are prone to overfit. So sometime they try to fit into the data so much that if new data points are provided to them, they're going to perform very poorly. So in order to prevent that, a regularization parameter was introduced. So through this regularization parameter, it tried to manipulate the model in such a way that it does not overfits the data set, the data points. So in one of those so it has for there are two regularization parameter, L1 and L2. The one that uses L1 parameter for linear regression, the one that uses L1 parameter is known as ridge regression, and the one that uses both of these parameters are known as elastic net regressor. So over here we are extending so over here we are going to use ridge classifier, which is an extension of ridge regressor, and then SGD classifier. So what does this SGD classifier is? Now SGD stands for stochastic gradient descent. So it is an algorithm that checks the gradient descent, or is written. It is an algorithm that predicts the gradient of the model, and with the help of learning, it tries to predict the weights for the model. So SGD classifier just means, instead of using any other computational technique, it is using stochastic gradient descent. One of the most famous descent for the one of the most famous optimizer, basically it is an optimizer, is uh, ADAM optimizer, adaptive momentum. So that is a completely different thing. If you want, I should upload a video regarding ADAM optimizer. Please write that in the comment. Now from sklearn import dataset. So I would be using pre-loaded dataset. As we all know, we are going to use wine dataset. Now sklearn import matrices. So from sklearn I'm importing linear model 2. And now from model selection train test split, dataset is equal to load dataset. So I am initializing my load wine dataset, that is my wine dataset. Now I split that into x and y, that is the target dataset and the feature dataset. Now train test split x, y, then test size. So test size is 25% of my total dataset. Now models.linear model.sgd classifier. So over here I'm using SGD classifier. Now model.fit x underscore train, y underscore train, print model. So model is equal to linear underscore model.sgd classifier. So I've initialized my linear model. Now expected underscore y is equal to y underscore test, and I have predicted my values for x test from by using the same model, and I have saved that under the name predicted underscore y. Now matrices dot classification report expected underscore y, that is my one parameter. The second parameter is predicted underscore y, and I want the target names so that it could label it properly. So this will give me the classification report that contains the accuracy, the recall, the precision, the support. Now print. If you want a detailed explanation of all these matrices, what is precision, what is recall, I have made a comprehensive video of for each individual technique, or for each individual technique, such as matrices, such as precision, accuracy, on the same on our YouTube channel. You can check that out. There is a complete playlist for that. Now matrices dot confusion matrix, expected underscore y, predicted underscore y. So now I'm using a ridge classifier over here. Now model dot fit x underscore train, y underscore train, print model. This will print the basic information of the model. All the codes are going to be the same after that, as the only thing that changing is my model. So you can see these are my final predictions, and these are the predictions from my SGD classifier. So you can see it has performed very poorly. Out of 16 for class 0, it has predicted 12 of them as class 0 and 4 of them as class 1. So and out of basically it has predicted only 75% accuracy for class 0. For class yes, for class 1, out of 18 it has predicted 15 correctly, whereas it has predicted 3 wrong. But for class 2 it hasn't able to capture any information about that, and all the predictions are wrong. Now I'm switching to ridge classifier, so you can see how greatly it has been performing. So it has for all the predictions are correct for ridge classifier. So the best model for linearity that you could generally use, or we use, is elastic net regression and ridge regression. Because of the regularization parameter, it prevents itself from getting overfit, and it performs equally well on the data set that it hasn't seen before. So this was all about codes in this video. For more code recipes like this, you can visit our website as well as our YouTube channel. You can also go to our website, more industry relevant project like this. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and the code and the URL for the code of this video is available in the description below. Thank you.